welcome to Lizard Beach. Today, technically, we were planning on going to Teppan Lagoon, but this bus showed up first. And who am I to judge? Shush, Sandy. So, we did buy the GoPro for today, so we will be going on some rides together, which shall be fun. And we're just gonna walk around and buy more things we don't need. We found our spot and it's lovely.
Oh, we can just leave the towels here and all go.
Yay! This is also true.
It's not like
yeah. Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna be putting the camera back in, but GoPro will be coming out. But here's the nice in-focus aesthetic of Lizard Beach. Hello! Welcome to the GoPro! Yay! Aesthetic. Aesthetic! Hello! We're using GoPro! I'm really excited because it's quite. Oh my god. No, stay away. Never enter with diarrhea. Why is that so funny? I don't know. Lazy river time!
Did you send him that way when we opened?
Well, the fates will decide which way we go. Ooh. Spin us! Oh, spinning again. Okay, do you want to know what it's like to have a sister? Look at my knee. She dunked me for no reason and now I'm maimed. Rude.
Oh, you're not that maimed.
I am. You're not. Last time we came here, Sandra nearly died. She looked like a seal. It was funny. They're nice. No, it's huge. Well, it's small and big, but it looks big. But it looks nice. Very nice. I don't know how anyone can do summit plumage. Oh, there's someone want to come down. We'll see. There should be. Normally you can see the little feet. Ooh. Nope, don't think so. Near man. Oh. No. Would not be for me, I'll tell you that much. No. We're doing the family raft. Yay! Not some plumage. No way. Look, there is Everest, but I'm not sure you can see it very well.
That's Animal Kingdom.
I definitely don't like roller coasters. Is that roller coaster? Yes.
Tower.
Where?
Over there.
That's not Tower, that's just a normal That's just a normal hotel.
That one over there?
Yeah.
Really sure that's Tower?
I'm pretty sure it's not. Do you want to do a bet? Oh no! Jeez! No! Okay, you ready? Here we go again. I'm falling over. There's an eagle. So I'm just here waiting for Sandra and my dad to go down the Speedway Racers. Oh shoot, look! That's them. That's a coincidence. She didn't scream Marco. She's supposed to scream Marco. Well, yay! I got them. Dad won. Oh look, care balls. This is great. No! She has fallen 12 times already. Each time differently. The one time I record. Perfect. Go dang, Sandra! No! So I think we're pretty much done with Lizard Beach now. We're going to head back to the resort. Ooh! And then we have dinner in Teppan Edo tonight and illuminations and possibly drinking around around the world. We haven't decided. We've never done it before, but I'll meet up with you in a bit. Oh my god, actually. So we are now in darkness. We're now back in Epcot for our dinner. We have 20 minutes to get it across Future World and around to Japan, but I think we should be okay. I think. I'm not sure if I like this hat today. I'm not sure if I'm feeling it. It's my one from Disneyland Paris. There's a little Tinkerbell just there. But I just feel a bit potato-y today. So we'll see. So we checked in like 2 minutes late, but it's fine. We're currently in Teppan, or I can't remember what it's called. Yay, Luna! But we're just walking around. I love this department store. It's the ooh, skincare.
So is everybody first time here? First time to this restaurant?
Yeah.
This side? Okay. Me too. Don't worry. I watched YouTube a lot last night. Okay.
YouTube knows everything.
Yeah.
Learn everything in a 10-minute video. Done.
Okay. This is Japanese magic water. Everything is magic in here.
Right.
Oh no!
So we just finished Teppan Edo and it was lovely. So I'm an idiot and the I forgot to bring my battery, so we're using my phone. But I got a really cute bag of sushi, and then we're gonna watch Illuminations. I have to go find Sandra though because I don't know where she is. So the idea might have been really long, and it's gonna be beep of Epcot because I'm an idiot and forgot to bring my spare batteries. Oops. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but sorry that there hasn't been much Epcot. We did. Okay, sorry. You may have noticed I look completely different. So my battery died after Teppan Edo, and I tried to record, which probably is like right now. That's a car. But yeah, we didn't do much after Teppan Edo. We watched Illuminations, and then it was Extra Magical Hours. So we rode Soarin', which was really fun, Figment, and then we just went home. So it wasn't too, you know, exciting. Figment was fun though. We got to ride one on each cart because there wasn't anyone there. That was very fun. But yes, that's the end of Blizzard Beach Epcot Day. And this is an exciting day, but you'll see. We'll see you next week. Haha.